বন্ধুরা তোমরা সবাই কেমন আছো? আজকে আমরা খেলবো আমার পিগি ম্যাপ। এই দেখো, ওয়াও!
टेक्स्ट पास करना मुश्किल है जब आपके प्रोफेसर सुपरमैन है। Romantic smooches, glued popcorn, and giant 3D glasses. Watch funny
আচ্ছা চলো
movie theater
আমরা,
pranks in our new video.
এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের টয়লেট, এটা হচ্ছে আমার বাবার রুম। এখানটা লক, দরজা দিব। তারা কি এখানে দিব হচ্ছে
Welcome to movies, but girls know a ton of ways to smuggle it in. Turn candy into
গোল্ডেন লক। আমার রুম তো, তাই আমি গোল্ডেন লক দিচ্ছি, এটা আমার রুম। আর এখানে থাকবে হচ্ছে
Go into labor in the middle of the movie, please.
সরি,
Well, it's
এখানে
nice
থাকবে
to see
হচ্ছে
you. But Ted has an idea too. A fake
এই দেখো
beer.
গোল্ডেন কি।
Glue a pocket to the inner side of a fake
গোল্ডেন
beer.
কি খুলে এখানে ঢুকতে হবে। ঢুকাবার এখানটা কি থাকবে? গ্রিন কি কার্ড।
I'll sneak in candy in my beer, and the security guard won't notice anything.
ভুল করে গেছে, সরি।
Looks like a pirate with his beard. Nice beard, isn't it hot?
ও সরি,
Not so bad. Beardy,
আচ্ছা এটাই আছে, এটাই হচ্ছে
treats first.
গ্রিন কি কার্ড। এখানে থাকবে গ্রিন কি কার্ড নিয়ে।
Another one. I got you. Whoops, sorry. You can keep the candy. Enjoy the movie. The movie is so
এটা হচ্ছে গ্রিন কার্ড লক। আর এখানে থাকবে হচ্ছে
Hey, Ellie, I have an idea. This is the perfect time for a prank.
আমি কি করে ফেললাম, সরি বন্ধুরা।
The movie is over, and Tim's dream is over too. Hey, buddy, what's on your
এখানে
forehead?
থাকবে হচ্ছে
The security guard is dumb. Are you serious? Let me teach you a lesson.
হ্যামার আর ডাইনামাইট
On your head.
আর পাপের কি।
Loser. That girl at the front has some very tasty coke. I know how to reach it.
এইদিকে যাওয়ার পর
Put one straw in another.
পার্পেল
so you
লক
get
হবে
one
হচ্ছে
super long straw. You can tie a few straws together with a rubber band. Finn is hunting for coke with his long straw. Come on, don't let me down, Pipe. It works. This coke is so sweet. But turns out Polly is smarter. Why steal my
পার্পেল
coke?
কি খুলে
The pipe in the cup of
এখানে
the
থাকবে
red
হচ্ছে
next to Sam. Steal his calories. What's this? How dare you drink my coke? Tin doesn't want
হোয়াইট
to
কি,
drink
ঠিক আছে,
someone
হোয়াইট
else's
কি।
coke anymore.
আর হচ্ছে ডাইনামাইট,
To prank Tin.
টিএনটি।
Hi, Tin. Enjoy the movie. I'll go get popcorn. Oh, something is sticky. My jeans. This is so
আর
embarrassing.
তারপর আমাদের রুমে আরেকটা জিনিস দিব।
Has a plan. Right now, Polly is gonna sit down and everyone is gonna laugh. Polly?
Wrench.
No, my spot is over there. What about... Whoops. Hey, buddy, is that yours? Let's go outside and talk.
বুঝছো তো, এটাই হচ্ছে লক। ওয়েট, আমি দিছি হচ্ছে রেঞ্জ।
3D glasses. Guys, do you want to buy
ব্লু
something?
কি দিতে হবে,
3 pairs of glasses.
ডাইনামাইট হইছে, অরেঞ্জ কি কার্ড,
That guy bought all of them.
রেঞ্জ আর লক। সিক্রেট ট্রেইলার আছে এখানে, দেখো সিক্রেট ট্রেইলার।
Glue one pair of 3D glasses
এটা
to
হচ্ছে
another.
ট্রেইলার, একটা
Keep a
একটা
little
এনপিসি
gap
থাকবে।
between the lenses. Glue a few pairs of glasses together like Sketch out 3D glasses
এইখানে
on thick
দেবো।
cardboard using a ruler. Trace a rectangular tray. Now,
বাথরুমে থাকবে হচ্ছে ব্লু কি
Candy hair clips and chocolate chips. Find creative ways to sneak food into the movies.
এটা আমাদের বাড়ি।
Your
পাবলিক
tickets, please.
অন ঠিক নেম হবে রোহান হাউস রোহান সে টাইপ ঠিক S plus 1 confirm play button oh sorry oh yes আমি কেমন করে ফ্লাই করতেছি আমি মনে কিছু চিপে দিছিলাম তো আমি যেটা করতে চাই সেটা হচ্ছে
a girl on fire or an icy girl? What temperature are you?
সমস্যা নেই চলো
Well, what about a dance battle? Cold ice versus hot fire. Here's our dance floor. Fiery Penny will be dancing on hot coals. It's getting hot in here. Hello, why torture your feet when you can create an illusion of hot coals? You just need to cover the coal with acrylic paint so it looks like it's on fire.
আচ্ছা আমি জানি না কিন্তু আমি কিরকম করি উঠতেছি
This is a tough test. Who can last longer? Fire or ice? Penny is bravely dancing on her painted coal and actually is dancing on real ice.
আমি চাই না এটাকে আমাকে ঠিক করতে হবে
Icy nature. Achoo! Whoa! What a big flame! Hey, Penny, can you keep the fire down? Achoo! Now that's way better.
চলো আমার মাথায় দিব চলো লেটস গো
The girls have different tastes, but they both love food. Penny actually likes different temperature when it comes to taking a bath. Penny's bath is boiling. Let's check the temperature. Dip an egg in it. Is it hard boiled? Great! That means the temperature is perfect for me. Icy Ashley is getting her bath ready. The water is too warm. Now that's better. Let's start the icing. First, Penny dries her hair with a hot hair dryer after her hot bath. Penny's hair dries fast. There's even smoke. Ashley needs to dry her hair after a shower.
আমি কি করছি তখন আমি কেন করছি সেটা আমি জানি না
What's going on here? Eggs don't teach chickens, do they? Or do Mom has an important phone call. It's not a good time to ask permission to go to a party. What? Where are you going looking like that? Did you see the time? No.
yes yosh
Oh man, it's always like that. I'm so tired of being a kid. You always have to ask permission for everything. Goldfish, please make me a grown-up. What am I talking about? I'm not in a fairy tale. The girl is very upset. When I grow up, I'll show you. Tossing and turning, the poor child falls asleep. Mom goes to bed too. It's been a restless night. What's going on? In the morning, everything will be clear. The daughter wakes up first. Looking around the familiar room, she's surprised for some reason. Why am I sleeping in my kid's room? Wait, it's me on the bed. Hey, wake up! A brief shock, and then it becomes clear that the mom and the daughter have switched bodies. Of course, just yesterday, the girl wanted to grow up faster. Dreams do come true. No, the mirror doesn't lie. What is this weird hair color? Horrible. The daughter doesn't like her hair either. However, there are some nice bonuses too. Okay, stop looking at yourself. We are going to be late. Mom in kids' pajamas is a funny sight. Let's get ready. We are running out of time. There's nothing you can do. You have to listen to Mom, even if she's half your height. Being Mom is a great opportunity to use adult makeup. 2 bottles. Oh, I can't get used to it. Teenagers do their makeup like this. Don't ever deny yourself. Bright eyeshadow. A lot of lipstick. And the hairstyle is great too. Stylish, fashionable, on point. Mom, I'm ready. What? Are you going to work like this? Are you crazy? Okay, I need to exhale. I am a rational adult. We need to get the little girl back to normal quickly. Well, that's better. Look how beautiful this is. Oh man, this is boring. Can I at least add a little lip gloss? This outfit is missing some colors. Now it's time to get dressed. Jeans and a t-shirt? No way! Come on, Mom! No, come on, Mom! You need a strict business professional outfit. White top, black bottom. And instead of sneakers, you need heels. These clothes are so uncomfortable. Now that's better. Now it's time to get in the car and go. One to school, the other one to work. I wonder how you can drive a car in a child's body. Just as long as we don't get pulled over.
মাটা
But it's not even that simple. I can't get my feet on the pedals. Why don't you get behind the wheel and I'll explain how to drive? They switch. Despite her adult appearance, the daughter is clearly not an experienced driver. We won't get far. Mommy, I'm so scared. So as not to raise any unnecessary questions, Mom goes to class. It's an excellent opportunity to demonstrate her knowledge. Unbelievable! The teacher's in shock. Know something they haven't learned about yet. It's time to call Mensa. This child is a genius. It's finally recess. Having all sorts of unhealthy sweets for lunch? Absolutely not. Healthy food only. And for dessert, delicious dates. Her classmates don't understand. Ugh, is she eating vegetables? But they don't get it. They are still too young. Stop ruining your stomachs. Better eat some apples. Oh, you're such a nerd. How does it feel to come to work in an office if deep inside you are a kid? Even though you look like a real serious grown-up. Found Mom's desk. That's a good start. It's time to take a look around. I can write with these markers. There's also paper. I can make paper planes. Why do adults hate going to work so much? This is a lot of fun. Oops, here's the first problem. An employee with the documents to sign.
তো বন্ধুরা তোমরা অনেকক্ষণ ধরে দেখছিলাম আমি এখানে কথা বলতেছিলাম না। তার জন্য দুঃখিত, আমি খেয়াল করি না যে আমি ভিডিও করতেছি। চলো আমরা অনেক কিছু করে বলছি, আমি এখনো খেয়াল বুঝতেছি না কেন আমি উঠতেছি। ও এটা তো ভালো আইডিয়া।
You need to advise your child on how to act in a meeting. I'll talk in your headphone and you repeat. That's all. Thank goodness for modern technology. So, everybody's assembled and waiting for valuable instructions from their boss. But something strange is happening. The boss is playing with her hair and having fun with a pen instead of giving assignments. This is the best meeting ever. All right, you need to act like a businesswoman and make a presentation.
কি জানি হয়েছে আমি জানি না।
Hello?
What?
Copy? Instructions from mom are going straight into her ear. But still, drawing flowers is nicer than drawing incomprehensible charts. Looks like things are getting out of control again. I need to change for PE. But what's that? Hearts and pictures of some boy? Get it all out of here now. You were too young to think